WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, used for creating and managing websites. It is an open-source platform, which means it is free to use and modify, and it powers over 40% of websites on the internet. WordPress is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive customization options, and a vast library of themes and plugins. Understanding the need for multilingual capabilities. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's essential to understand why you might need multilingual capabilities for your WordPress website. If your target audience is global or speaks different languages, providing content in their native language can significantly improve user experience and engagement. Choosing a multilingual plugin. There are several multilingual plugins available for WordPress. Some popular ones include WPML, Polylang, and Google Website Translator. For this guide, we'll focus on WPML, as it is one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly options. Installing WPML. To install WPML, follow these steps. A. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New. C. Search for WPML and click on Install Now for the WPML CMS plugin. D. After installation, click on Activate. E. You'll be redirected to the WPML Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the plugin. Creating language versions. Once WPML is installed and set up, you can create language versions of your website. Go to WPML Languages in your dashboard. Click on Add a New Language. C. Select the desired language from the drop-down menu and click on Save. D. WPML will now create a new language version of your website. You can repeat this process for as many languages as needed. Translating content manually. For smaller websites, you can translate content manually. Create or edit a post or page. B. In the language box on the right side, select the language you want to translate to. C. Write or paste the translated content into the editor. Save or publish the post or page. Using translation services. If you don't have their sources to translate content manually, you can use professional translation services or automated translation tools like Google Translate. Install and activate a translation service plugin like gTranslate or TranslatePress.b. Configure the plugin settings according to the provider you choose. The plugin will automatically translate your content using the selected service. You can then edit and refine the translations as needed. Handling menus and widgets. To ensure consistency across language versions, translate menus and widgets. Go to Appearance, Menus. B. Edit the menu items and translate them for each language. C. Repeat this process for any widgets you have on your website. SEO considerations. To optimize your multilingual website for search engines, follow these tips. A. Use hreflang tags to inform search engines about language versions. B. Create separate URLs for each language version, e.g. example.com/page versus example.com/page. C. Optimize content for each language, including keywords and meta descriptions. Testing and refining. Once your multilingual website is live, it's essential to test and refine the translations and user experience. 1. Testing translations. Check the translations for accuracy and readability. You can use online translation tools like DeepL or Google Translate to compare and improve the quality of your translations. Additionally, consider hiring professional translators to ensure the highest quality. User experience. Ensure that your multilingual website provides a seamless user experience. Check for broken links, inconsistent formatting, and any other issues that may affect usability. Test the language switcher and make sure it's easy to navigate between different language versions. User feedback. Ask users for feedback on the multilingual feature and consider their suggestions for improvement. This can help you identify any issues you may have missed and improve the overall user experience. Monitoring and updating. Keep your multilingual website up to date by regularly reviewing and updating content. This includes adding new translations for recently published content, updating existing translations, and ensuring that all language versions remain relevant and accurate. Analytics and performance. Track the performance of your multilingual website using analytics tools like Google Analytics. Monitor metrics such as bounce rates, time spent on site, and conversion rates for each language version. This data can help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your multilingual strategy.